Luis TV. We are in downtown Toluca and we're about to go to the Cosmovitral. It's a greenhouse.
Yes, it's like our treasure of downtown.
All right, let's go see it. So the botanical garden that we're gonna see is in the building where the 16th of December market, that's a market here in Toluca that was built to mark the centennial of Mexico's independence. This is the building where the market used to be. Now it's a botanical garden. It's this thing right here. When you enter the botanical garden, you see this amazing stained glass. Let me show you this. This is quite impressive. This botanical garden was built as a way to preserve this building that we're in, and the stained glass that basically covers the entire thing. A lot of artistry went to make this building, and man, I don't know how to explain this, but it's like the stained glass windows, it's like they're on fire, they're so bright. This building was constructed in 1909, specifically for the market here in town. This is kind of cool. One of the sections in the garden is an orange grove, and these trees are full of oranges right now. They have 4 very distinct climate zones here. One of them is tropical in one corner of the botanical garden, and clear on the opposite end there's a desert climate zone. Obviously they keep them as far away from each other as possible, but look, they have rainforest over there and desert right here. I tried to fly a drone in the downtown area in Toluca. Very quickly, a couple of police officers came to me and said I can't do it. I can, however, buy a permit to fly it, but the offices are closed because of the holidays. It's New Year's Eve tomorrow. The offices are closed. They are not opening again until January 6th. So, no luck flying the drone out here. Whack.